remember just last week I uploaded a video about the amazing baby bird in my YouTube channel. Now, before I send the girl to her drawing class, let's see and let's check and take a look about the baby birds, what's going on now. And now, here we are on the amazing baby bird. Let's check if there is some feather now and then. Oh, the feather is coming out now. Let's see. Oh, they are so hungry. Have you seen this?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's so amazing.
Wow. You can hear the chirp.
Yes, and do you know? You see, the wings is already have a feather and they almost fly. It's so cute. Wow. They're so hungry. Yeah. Do you want to have a local song? Okay. Oh, so many kids want to go and watch the baby bird. Excuse me. Come on now, let's go.
I want to see. I haven't
Wait, and this is the way going to the...
even seen.
Wait, I haven't. And this bridge is going to the mall. The nest of the bird is just only over there. And then so many kids are watching because it's really quite amazing. Have you seen Maurice? And now we haven't seen the mommy bird. And now Katie. And now so many people getting a video of the amazing baby bird. Maybe the mommy of the bird is just only here in the 3rd floor. So it's really it's so amazing. Wow, and that is the mall, the Plaza Hollywood Mall. And then this is just only the tower we are living here. And the tower, what tower is it? Tower C?
Yeah.
And then the bird's nest is just only hiding behind there on the plants.
Wow.
It's really quite amazing. And this is the bridge going to the mall. Now,
It has feather on its wing.
bye.